Hello everyone, welcome on Tips Engineer John. We are going to learn about online courses of electrical engineering. Okay, so in this course, we are going to learn about HB lab safety calibration and testing certification. Okay, so this course lab safety calibration and testing and certification. I am going to talking about the course overview. This course provide uh, engineers, technicians, lab professionals with practical skill and knowledge for working safely in high voltage testing environment. And in this course, we will learn international lab safety protocols, proper equipment handling, calibration techniques, testing procedure for transformer, switchgear cable, and capacitor and other HV equipment. Okay, so the training cover both theoretical fundamentals and real world practices and ensuring participants are job ready to work in HV testing facilities or manufacturing industries. Okay, so welcome again on Tips Engineer John. Okay, so what is the target audience? Target audience is electrical engineer and technicians, HV lab operators and test engineers, QAQC professional in power sectors, and maintenance and commissioning engineers. Okay, and professional in transformer, cable, and switchgear manufacturing. This course objective is by the end of the this course, learner will able to follow HV lab safety protocol standards to prevent accident and handle HV test equipment and instrument correctly and perform calibration as per IEC oblique ISO standards and conduct various HV electrical tests accurately and document test result and maintain compliance record. Okay, this is the course curriculum. There is 8 modules. Module 1 start with introduction of HV testing and safety and overview of HV testing and calibration in power sectors and hazards in HV lab and shock, arc flash and equipment failures and safety regulations according to IEC 60060 and OSHA and IS standards and role and responsibilities of HV lab personnel. In module 2, HV lab safety protocol. Okay, and module 3 is HV lab layout and equipments. Okay, and module 4 is the calibration fundamentals. Importance of calibration in HV testing, calibration standards, and traceability. ISO IC and 17025. Calibration of HV dividers, meters, current transformers, and standard capacitor, and maintaining calibration log and certificates. In module 5, HV testing procedure, you are going to learn all important HV tests like HVAC voltage withstand test, HVDC voltage withstand test, and impulse voltage test, and tan delta and capacitance measurement test, and partial discharge test, and insulation resistance test, and many more. Okay, and module 6 specialized HV equipment and testings. In these modules, we are going to learn transformer testing, routine and type test, cable testing, HV withstand and seat test, capacitor and reactor testing, CTPT testing, and high voltage switchgear testing. And module 7 documentation and compliance, test report preparation as per IEC and client requirements, non conformance handling and corrective action, digital record and quality audit for HP labs. And module 5 8 practical case studies and assessment, real world HV test setups and troubleshooting examples, calibration error analysis, and safety accident investigation as well labs. Okay, so Derivable and benefits of this course is certification of compliance, completion of your courses, as will have safety and calibration checklist templates, and practical assignment and projects. So in this course we cover this syllabus. Okay. Okay, thank you.